Hi guys, this is TechTube. Before going to the video, I want to ask a question. Do you know Google Earth? Yeah, Google Earth is same as the Google Map, but the Google Earth has some of the extra feature when compared to Google Map. Yeah, let's see what are all the extra features. Yeah, this is the Google Map. This is the Google Earth. You can download it from Google Play Store. It's a free of cost. The interference look like a 3D world. A world look like a 3D. Yeah. One of the future in the Google Earth is we can search a place and the place which is look like in 3D. Yeah. I'm going to search Atlanta. Yeah. In the app, the bottom of the interference, you may see the famous things of the cities. I'm going to zoom and punch in the 3D icon. The place is converted to 3D. Yeah, you can zoom the place and you can see the 3D image of the place. Right now I am in Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Yeah, the interference shows a 3D impact on the place. For the accurate image, you can zoom the place whatever you want. Yeah, that's all about the app. If you want to try this and make some excitement. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.